So this right here is more like a 10-feet container that I've constructed and turned it to a mining rig. The wood you're seeing is what we call a firewall. We do that so that the heat that is being produced by the machine doesn't come back into the machine, doesn't come back inside the container. So you can see all the machines will be fixed. The exhaust of the machine is going to be fixed here, just like this one. You can see that the exhaust of the machine is outside so that the heat of the machine doesn't go back inside. So, and here is for proper ventilation, because one of the most vital things you need in Bitcoin mining is to make sure that the machine is well ventilated so that it can maintain a certain degree of temperature. You know, miners are supposed to, this particular miners works within 0 to 40 degrees, so we are trying to maintain that. So this opening here is to allow passage of air, cross ventilation. So yeah, this particular container can contain up to 30 depending on who designs it for you, but for me I just did it for 30 machines.